This meeting is being recorded for the safety of our subject and for testing purposes. If you consent, please respond with "I do consent."
I do consent.
Okay, this is test member #209 for experiment virtual. How are we feeling today in one word?
Tired.
Okay, when was the last time you have slept?
94 hours ago.
Perfect. Now how have you been able to focus since the session?
I don't focus on wanting to smoke anymore, but I can't really focus on anything anymore.
Excellent, and how is the new tapes working for you? 209.
Help!
Subject unstable.